Little Star Rhymes!
Hello kids, come and play. Let's count numbers every day. One little star in the sky, two birds flying high, three red apples on a tree, four happy kids, 1, 2, 3, 5 big balloons in the air, 6 little fish swimming there, 7 days in a week we know, 8 bright colors in a rainbow. Counting, counting, 1 to 10. Let's all count again and again. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning numbers is so sweet. 9 small flowers in the sun, 10 fingers, let's count every one. 11 players in a team, 12 months make a year complete. 13 stars shining bright, 14 kids dancing with delight. 15 candies in a jar, 16 books near and far. Counting, counting, 1 to 20. Numbers are fun, learning plenty. Jump around and shout hooray. Let's count numbers every day. 17 birds in the tree, 18 bees buzzing free, 19 clouds in the sky, 20 friends saying hi. Counting, counting, 1 to 20. Numbers are fun, learning plenty. Jump around and shout hooray. Let's count numbers every day. 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20 again.